Welcome back to Her and Early Wisdom Kitchen. Today, Grandma cooks. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
What are you making?
Bannock. And, I'm eating one.
And she's eating one already. So, hey, join us and see how the journey goes. So that's just
Flour.
flour. Like how much flour?
I put about 6 cups of flour.
6 cups of flour.
Yep, 6
Okay.
cups. 5. And with Bannock, you can put raisins, cheese,
Oh.
like cheese bread. Raisin bread.
Nice. Okay. So what are we going to put in this ones?
Both.
Okay.
And teaspoon.
Baking powder.
Baking powder, yeah. 6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
1,
So a tablespoon a cup.
2. Yeah.
And Grandma is left-handed. I love that.
4. 5.
I'm actually left-handed, but I was forced to
Oh, were
be
you?
right-handed. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm crying.
I always add 2 spoons of sugar.
Okay. So just 2.
2, yeah. And then I need oil. And I put in about 1/4 of a cup.
Quarter. Okay.
Yeah.
So a 1/4 cup for 6 cups of flour. That's enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you
Yeah.
also use butter?
Yeah. If you want to, you have to melt it though. And then I need about 3.5 cups of either water or milk. I'm gonna use water. Take this over and cold water.
Oh, so just cold water.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll mix that and see how thick. And then if it's too thick, we add more water.
Yeah.
If it's not, we add more flour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix it up until all the flour is mixed in. And it doesn't look dry.
Okay. So you didn't put any salt in it. That means we don't need any salt?
I don't put salt in it.
Okay. The
This
dough?
up?
Yeah. Like
Like that.
Yeah, uh-huh. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to feel.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna add just a little bit of raisins.
I'm gonna just when I take a spoonful,
Okay.
it won't be all mixed in there. I make my first little batch.
Okay.
You
So
just grab a handful,
Uh-huh.
and the pan has to be hot.
Super hot.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is,
Add a little bit of raisins.
yeah.
Okay.
Usually you could mix it in with the dough,
Uh-huh.
but I want to do cheese also so that you can have a variety.
Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, so then you cover it. You cover the raisins.
Yeah, you cover the raisins.
Okay. It's more like pancakes now.
Yeah. It could be a little browner. I was just checking it, but I'll flip it a couple of times.
Okay. So how do you tell that it's time to flip them? Because do they have bubbles? before
No,
you flip?
no, they don't have bubbles. You sort of just kind of know when you want it like really brown. I turn these a little early,
Okay.
only because I haven't done it for a while.
Okay.
You look at the pan.
Uh-huh.
It needs more oil,
Okay.
so you just keep adding.
Okay.
Let me see you.
I'm gonna push it in there because it's still. I have to turn it again and make it brown.
Yeah.
So,
So
but that's the bread we make all the time. Especially when we're out in the wilderness, and
yeah, because you can
you
do it on
can't,
an
you
open
can't
fire.
carry bread.
Yeah.
It's too soft and it would squish. So we just make our own bread called Bannock.
Do you grate the cheese before you put in, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Or sometimes you can just kind of put little cubes in.
Ah, okay.
I have to turn them again because I turned them too soon
Yeah.
the first time.
Yeah.
So, and they do get thick, huh?
Yeah, because of the baking powder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They are thick.
So this one has raisins. I think I have enough for another batch.
These ones are quite big. You eat one and you're like, okay, I'm full.
Yeah. You sort of, check the bottom, like some of them, they don't brown all the way around. Like this one, it got darker here, but it's light here. You put the light side to the middle
Oh,
because it's hot in the middle. Huh?
Right.
See, this one is actually very nice. See,
Oh, yeah.
that's the color you want it to be.
Okay. So how do you know it's cooked on the inside?
You just know. I don't know how to tell you.
You don't use a fork to like poke it and
You could if you want. Yeah, that one is good.
okay.
I like them more like that. And usually the first batch is always, it doesn't turn out.
That's how I'm telling you, one would fill you up
Yes.
because it's big.
Not Kyle.
Yeah, because they look yummy. Can't wait to try them. I see why Kyle eat this over and over and over and over, 2, 3 in a row. Oh,
An magpie. Gee whiz. Oh, he didn't even cool it off. So what do you think of it?
Don't panic. Grandma makes good bannock.
to the T. Super
Those
duper
were
nice.
the raisin bannock.
Those are the raisin ones.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna see
Now
how
we're
the
gonna
cheese
do the
ones
cheese.
are done. Now I'm just more excited for the cheese ones.
And I'm gonna try and make it a little smaller.
Okay, just because the pan is a bit small.
You know.
Cheese goes in. Cheese.
Good cheese. Yum yum. I love cheese.
Yeah, me too.
But when I make bannock, I love it with raisins.
So you prefer raisins?
Yeah, I prefer raisins. But I wanted you to try
Both.
the different ones, you know,
Yeah.
and then you
appreciate
can
that.
sort of decide which one you like best.
I don't know if I will have an easy time deciding. Ooh. This is great.
Yeah.
Love that color.
I gotta try a bite of this one.
Oh, you didn't try it yet?
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you think about the cheese ones, Grandma?
I like them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. Thank you for sharing that recipe with us.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Oh no, I
Tell us
don't
what you
ever
think.
wash my hands.
You don't?
No,
Never?
never.
Raisin ones.
Oh,
I saw Grandma
jeez.
picking out for
Really?
This is
Oh,
good.
man.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm gonna
Which
wash
one?
my
Which one are you
hands.
trying?
I
The
was
raisin?
touching some dirty
Raisin
stuff.
Bannock.
Thank you, Grandma.
You're welcome.
Grandma, it's delicious. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
My.
Hi.
Katie's putting butter on his.
Wow. Raisin? Mmm. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
No words, just oh yeah.
That's nice. Haven't had that in a few years.
Just gonna put a little bit of honey on this. This is the plain one.
I dropped one.
Good thing the floors are clean.
The honey,
I
takes it
dropped
to
one.
another level. It really does. Seriously.
Didn't even see it. Nobody knew.
Really good. It's done, eh?
My woman.
Maybe I'll, take
And it's a
see what the
wrap.
hours are and if I
And that's how you make bannock.
Sweet.